Welcome to the fourth module of Communication 3101, Communication Self and Others. In this module, we'll be talking about theories related to relationship development. The first of those theories is social penetration theory, which I'm sure many of you have heard of before. And this theory is commonly referred to as the onion theory. So the idea of the basic premise of the theory is that the more mutual self-disclosure that occurs, the more the people get to know each other and potentially like each other. So the metaphor of the onion is often used to describe when we self-disclose to another person that the layers of our onion are being peeled away. One thing to keep in mind is that we're probably familiar with those two dimensions of self-disclosure, depth and breadth, but there are other dimensions related to social penetration theory, such as the frequency of self-disclosure, or the veracity of self-disclosure, or the truthfulness of the self-disclosure. So keep in mind that there are other aspects to social penetration theory other than those two dimensions of depth and breadth. Then the other theory that we'll be talking about related to relationship development is uncertainty reduction theory. This theory, developed by Charles Berger, looks at what motivates us to reduce uncertainty in relationships. And so if we anticipate a future interaction with a person, we would be motivated to reduce uncertainty. Or if there's some reward value related to getting to know that person or reducing uncertainty, or if the person deviates from what we expect, then we want to reduce that uncertainty to try to explain why that deviance occurred. So this is similar to social penetration theory in that there's a relationship between uncertainty and self-disclosure and liking, and then Charles Berger developed different axioms that you'll read about in this chapter that link together to further develop the theory. So, for example, what is the relationship between uncertainty and liking, or what is the relationship between uncertainty and attraction? So the tasks that are associated with this module are to read chapters 8 and 9, and then to review the material within this module for Blackboard. And then the assignments are to post to the voice thread for this module, to complete the knowledge check or the quiz within that lesson, and then also to contribute to the wiki for this module. So if you have any questions, please get in touch with me.